Welcome to Aviation Farming and the Delta Port Hangar, Glendale, Arizona. The Little Boss Dude is doing some final wing adjustments and measurements in preparation for the fitting of the wing struts. Checking here that the dihedral measuring string is lined up with the wing spar. If the measurement from rib number 1 to the string is 85 millimeters plus or minus 5 on both wings, then the dihedral is set properly. We squared the wings with the laser a few days before, and the Bill Boss Dude, being old school, wants to double check the squareness of the wings by using a string method. The fuselage is level and the floor is level, and the measurement from the wing tip to the floor on both wings is within 2 or 3 millimeters. And the wing roots are also within a couple of millimeters of each other from the floor to the wing. Clamping the aft spar wing connection point in preparation for drilling. going to be taking off some of the length of this strut tube. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.